Hey everybody, it's Ron at Lorusso Gardens. In this video I'm going to take a 5-frame hive and put it into a 10-frame hive to make a new full-size beehive. These are called nuke hives, nucleus hives. I made these hives last year and there was 5 of them, but only 2 survived winter. They're filling up real quick, and before they swarm, and well, for some of you that don't know what swarming is, what happens when a hive gets too full of bees, the queen bee will take half of the hive, half of the population, and find a new location to start a new hive, and leave behind 50% of the bees, or however much, basically half the bees, to continue that hive. So this one's just about ready to swarm, so I'm going to take 5 frames, place it into this 10 frame, and I'm going to bring it down to where I keep my larger hives. Down here, it's going to go right in the middle. And then what I'm going to do from there is, this one's getting ready to swarm, is I'm going to split this one into these ones. I'm going to take basically 2 of the 3 frames from here, put it in here so it starts its own hive from there. I just smoked them a minute ago, so it should be ready to start messing with them. Nice full hive, so I'm getting them before they swarm, because I have empty hives here, but that doesn't necessarily mean when they swarm they're going to go into one of these hives that are empty. Oh. So. They're getting mad right now. I don't even have a shirt on or anything, but start smoking them once again. I'm going to pause it for a second. You see, when you smoke them, they do not like that. They will go right down into the hive. And now, when you smoke them, it makes them think that the hive is on fire, so their main goal is to try to reserve as much honey and resources as possible. So they could care less about me right now. But I get stung on average. I've already been stung. A minute ago I was stung. That's why I smoked them. But once you do this for a while, you don't really, it doesn't really even bother you. Yep, I just got stung again right in the back. For the most part, they don't care. But it's all the newbies coming back that don't realize that I smoked them that are going to protect me, the nest, and sting me. But for the most part, you respect them, they'll respect you. You don't go tipping the nest over or kicking it or making all sorts of vibrations. They're not really concerned. Oh. But once after a couple minutes, they'll start getting mad again, and I'll just give them a little more puffs of smoke and it'll calm them down. I'm going to give them some smoke. They're definitely getting mad again. Alright, so I removed all 5 frames. There's still a little bit of bees left over in this one. I'm going to shake them off the top from here into here, but it's basically how you switch the bees out to make a larger hive. My next video I'm going to show you how I do. It's what's called a walkaway split. Basically, I'm going to take a few frames from this one that have all resources, baby bees, everything needed, put them in there, and they're going to make a new queen and you basically just walk away. You just set it and forget it. You put it in there, walk away, and they'll make everything they need to start a new hive. Just figured I'd show you guys that while I was doing it today. I took 2 stings today, just for you guys. That's basically it. I'm going to bring this 10 frame hive down to where I'm going to, the new location over there, and that's about it. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.